Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings in addition to some product reviews and product hauls. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Y'all, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on. It will be linked down below in the description box, and that is the Glamour Jewelry giveaway. So definitely enter if you have not already. It ends on December 10th. As you can see today, we are going to be opening the November 2020 GlossyBox. This is actually becoming one of my favorite subscriptions. It's always a really good value. You definitely get your money's worth. It is $21 a month, and you receive 5 to 6 deluxe size and sometimes full size items. I do have a link I'll put down below. I don't get anything from it. It's just for you guys to save you $5 off your first box. So you can get it for $16, which is a great deal. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. The boxes, y'all, are always great quality. Like the box themselves, they're beautiful and like good hard sturdy cardboard. So this is what we see when we open it. Always very beautiful. And we have our little pamphlet here that will go over all of our items. And this does give us pricing. Now it will give us pricing for the full size, and if it is a deluxe size item, we do get pricing for that as well, which I really appreciate. So here's what we see when we peel off the pamphlet. So we're going to go ahead and open this and dive in. Oh, okay. All right, so the first thing I see says Spectrum Zodiac Tall Crease Blender B07. So I'm guessing this is a brush. So let's see. Get it out. Oh, that feels nice. Feels very nice. So definitely a blender. It's a Spectrum right here. So let's see what they say about this guy right here. This is full size. This is $8.99. This is a limited edition brush. Add definition to your eye makeup with a star-studded blending brush. It's super soft synthetic bristles taper at the top to add a flame shape that effortlessly glides across the lid for the perfect blend. Awesome. Off to a wonderful start. All right, and then I see something I am very familiar with and I love, and that is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So this is just one, and this one pair is worth $4.16. The full size of this would be a 6-pack for $25. It says experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these award-winning eye masks packed with hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract to hydrate, depuff, and more. That took a second. And more. Your under eyes will look brighter than ever. So there is that. So to me, even though it's not like the full package, that is a full-size item. So I like it. All right, and then let's see. We have got, this is from Hero Cosmetics. We have got the Mighty Patch Invisible and the Rescue Balm. So we have, is it one? How many do we have in here? 6. So we have 6 of the little patches and a little sample of the Rescue Balm. So the 6 patches, these are when you think you're, starting to see a pimple come up. You put these on and it'll pull all the nasty stuff out, pull this off, and it cuts the healing time up drastically. So this is the deluxe mini set, is worth $4. The Mighty Patch, if you receive the full size, is 39 patches for $17.99, and the Rescue Balm is 15 milliliters full size at $12.99. So another $4 here. Say goodbye to breakouts with this duo. The invisible patches can be worn under makeup and help to extract impurities, protecting your skin while reducing the pimple. Afterwards, reach for the Rescue Balm to speed up the skin healing. So I will definitely try this next time I have a breakout. But I actually have some similar. I don't know that they're, no, I think they are the invisible. So, all right. And then we have got another full-size item. This is from Doucet, the Ultra Precision Eyeliner, valued at $22, more than the cost of the box. This waterproof pencil eyeliner has a velvety smooth formula that glides on without pulling or tugging. You'll never have to worry about smearing again. And this is actually my preference for eyeliner, is this like crayon creamy, just, this is the type of eyeliner I prefer. I don't really care for like liquid liner or anything like that. And then our final item, which I kept putting to the side to save for last because I'm a little like, whoa, is a eyeshadow palette from LA Splash Cosmetics. It's their Magic Palette, valued at $32. Says, cast a spell with every look you create using this universally flattering eyeshadow palette. Perfect for day or night, containing 8 rich and pigmented shades to make you feel bold and beautiful. You'll be ready for the holiday festivities coming your way. So let's see what she looks like. So this is the actual palette. Oh, there's a nice little mirror. So I do like these shades. There are neutrals, and you go from something like that I would use to kind of set my eye all the way to a black, and you've got a good mix of shimmers and mattes. I really like this. So yay. So that was everything in our November 2020 Glossy Box. I will add everything up and put it across the bottom of the screen so you can see the full value of this box. Again, it's only $21 a month. It does have free shipping, and you can get your first month for only $16 by using the link down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know what you thought of this month. I thought it was really, really good. Quite a few full-size products and good products. I really appreciate it. That's another thing about GlossyBox, is they usually have a really good combination of makeup and skincare and beauty tools and sometimes hair care. So you can never go wrong with this box. A special thank you to my channel members. I do greatly appreciate your support. It means more than you know. And just anyone being here watching, I really appreciate it. You guys, I love all of you, and I can't thank you enough for being here and supporting our channel. So thank you. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.